Wanna learn how to get logged in to your ShareChat apps account? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. You can use the ShareChat app itself or any of the web browser. Today, I'm going to use Chrome. You can use a suitable browser of your choice. For that, tap on the particular browser, tap on the search or type web address, enter here ShareChat.com. This will take you to the official site of the ShareChat app itself. The initial process of getting logged in is selecting your language. A ShareChat app is an Indian app. They have all of the languages present in India. So I'm going to choose the basic one, that is Hindi, on the top left corner. You can select off your own. Now to get logged in, tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. You can see that here's an option of account per Jai with this blue background, which means go to your account or get logged into your account. Tap on it. Now you can enter your mobile number with your country code. I'm going to do mine, and then tap on this blue background option below where it's saying that get an OTP, that is get a code to get logged in. Choose a country, so I'm going to choose my country code and then enter my number. When you're done, tap on OTP Prapt Kare below. So wait for the OTP to be received on your mobile phone and then enter it here. So I have received my OTP and I'm going to enter it. You can do of your own. When you're done, you can see that Alexa Gill, that's my profile name. So that means I am logged in. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.